Hey, this is Eric from Botisimo with another Botisimo bit for you. If you've been using Botisimo for a while, I'm guessing you're familiar with our event overlay. If you've got it integrated in your stream setup, it'll fire off when you get a new follower, a donation, when someone buys something from the shop, or whatever. But, did you know that you can make custom events triggered by commands? It doesn't really matter if you said yes or no to my question, because this is a pre-recorded video and I can't hear you. The point is, I'm gonna show you how to make a custom event using the event directive. Let's say I want people to scare me on purpose with a command. First things first, I'm gonna go to my command page and click create command. I'm gonna call it boo because, scary. I'll add the cost directive and charge about 400 points because I ain't getting scared for free. And here's the real meat and potatoes of the thing, the actual event directive, which is comprised of several parts. First is the T, which denotes the primary text, which must be in the URL and code variable. I'm going to make mine say boo. Next is the S, which denotes the secondary text, which also needs to be in the URL and code variable. Mine's going to say love username, and we're going to use the username plain variable as well. Next up, D, which denotes duration, measured in milliseconds. We'll use 5,000, which equals 5 seconds. After that, I, which denotes the URL for the image to display for the event. Remember, it's gotta be a URL. Lastly, A is for audio, the URL for the audio to play for the event. And then I'll add a little message at the end so the user knows the command was sent. Alrighty, so if all goes well, it should look a little something like this.
Jump scare!
So yeah, that's an example of how to make a custom event that can be triggered via commands. Use it as you like to add a little flair to your streams, and maybe have a command that makes someone yell at you to do push-ups or something. I don't know. Anyway, if there's anything you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments, and if you ever need help, just hit up our knowledge base or email us at support@botisimo.com. See you next time.